一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The Banglong Festival is an annual celebration that takes place in Miaoli. Also known as Bombing the Dragon, it's part of the Lantern Festival and happens at the Yuqing Temple. The full ceremony takes about 2 weeks to perform and consists of multiple parts, from creating the paper dragon to parading it around, to finally bombing it with firecrackers and burning it. This is an out with the old, in with the new tradition, and seeks good luck in the new year. It's also been promoted as a unique part of Hakka culture.
Hey, what's up? It's time to talk about Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係邊個 Leo。Hello，
你好，大家好，我係 Josephine。新年快樂哦！
新年快樂！2
月份都在過年哦。
對。
客家人很喜歡一個活動叫做棒龍，我也很喜歡啊。
棒龍，對，就是在那個長夜班元宵節的時候舉行啊。
沒錯，就是拿鞭炮去炸它，越炸越有福氣。
我記得小時候我們會拿那個長方形的那個排炮，就是排炮，去炸它。
厲害了。
對，其實這個棒龍的活動啊，其實我們會把它規劃成6部曲哦，它6個步驟啦。第一個步驟，你就要讓這個龍產生嘛，所以我們會狗龍，把這個龍啊，把它糊出來，製作出來，沒錯。好，那第二個步驟呢，就是要讓它有生命，畫龍點睛。
哦，就跟我們舞龍舞獅也會這樣子，就有眼神了，
沒錯，有生命了。好，那第三個呢，那做出來有生命了，那就要讓它飛舞起來，所以就養龍，就是舞龍了。
哦，要動來動去，懂之才更有生命。
沒錯，懂之，對。好，然後在第4步呢，就是天龍，就大家就會跟在旁邊呐，因為龍代表了一個福氣嘛，對，我們都希望能夠沾染到一些龍的福氣，
所以會跟他一起走，
對，跟他一起走，沒錯。
到現在都還沒有要炸龍
接下來就要炸龍了，就是幫龍啊，就越炸越旺。
OK 啊，5部曲這樣不就結束了嗎？怎麼會說6部呢？
就是你結束了，總是要有一個 ending 嘛，這 ending 呢，就是要把它送回它原來的地方，就是畫龍返天。
對，他要回去天上了，
沒錯，
等待明年再回來，
對，讓這龍神回到天上，明年再來。
OK， 不錯，我們多了解整個這個棒龍的習俗跟來龍去脈。我們教幾個單字了，Let's teach you some phrases, including 棒龍, which is the ceremony bombing the dragon.
棒龍。
And then it happens during Lantern Festival, 元宵節、
長夜班，或是說年宵節，
就是元宵節這三個字咯。There you go. We've learned a little bit more about this tradition, and Happy New Year to you. That does today's talk about Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.